Hello everyone! Today I will be reviewing Bird Dog Bot. If you want to know whether you should buy Bird Dog Bot, then please watch this video till the end. Also, don't forget to check out the first link in the description below to find real user reviews of Bird Dog Bot left by users who have bought and used the product.
Behind closed doors, I'm a fool for your love.
Bird Dog Bot website was launched on November 11, 2011. The creator of Bird Dog Bot is Costa Apostolou. Bird Dog Bot comes with 60 days money back guarantee, so if you are unhappy after the purchase, you can request a refund within 60 days. Now, I will read out the reviews left by users who have used Bird Dog Bot. Here's a review by Noah. He says, simply just defining your custom dealing criteria. The system will return the properties that you want to leave out those properties that you don't need to waste your time on. Next review is by William. He says, you will be able to customize your search criteria. You can search for properties by any combination of city, state, zip code, county, price, bedrooms, and bathrooms. Next review is by James. He says, Bird Dog Bot is a kind of software that has been designed to help you as investors make real deals, and not only that, you are given the opportunity to make the deals much faster and quite efficiently. The software tracks everything that you need to know when it comes to the real estate business. Bird Dog Bot scans the market and brings to you the genuine product and information that is vital to you as investor, and that way you are able to select the product that is quite appealing to you. Next review is by Andrew. He says, the Bird Dog Bot is software designed to help real estate investors find real estate deals much faster. What Bird Dog Bot helps you out with is to monitor for you and track listings over time, market price, rental income, etc. In short, Bird Dog Bot helps you to know exactly what changed and precisely by how much. Next review is by Thomas. He says, the Bird Dog Bot is software designed to help real estate investors find real estate deals much faster. What Bird Dog Bot helps you out with this monitor for you and track listing over time, market price, rental income, etc. In short, Bird Dog Bot helps you to know exactly what changed. And there are a lot more reviews. Now, we would like to invite everyone who have bought and used Bird Dog Bot to please go over to our website at the link in the description below at the website cbreviewsworld.com and leave a comment about what your experiences was like using Bird Dog Bot. Your review will help everyone to know if they should buy this product or if they should skip it. We thank you for cooperating with us by leaving your reviews on our website. Your reviews will benefit everyone who are searching for Bird Dog Bot. Thanks. Have a good day.